हम इस खूबसूरत के नज़ारे. What the fuck I'm saying? Yeah, I'm not clear what I'm saying. Bro, just convey right things. If you want to grow, yes, you just need to grow. You just need that to grow. You just to share right things. What is right? Just share what is right, not everything. Oh my God, it's been this time. Fucking crazy. Turned. Oh my God, my hands are trembling. Fuck yeah. Oh, it's crazy, man. Why? More. Oh fuck, I fell, literally. Oh my God. It's damn. Oh my God. Fucking bad. Literally, I fell off, yeah. देखते हैं. Oh, not too much, but yeah, enough. I can easily cross it, but this is the condition. Oh my God, after rain, nothing. It's around 9 a.m. and we don't able to see any other thing. Just raining and raining. Oh my God, crazy, yaar.